In this video, we're going to talk about what we can do in case Explorer.exe is not starting with Windows 10. When the Explorer.exe is not working in Windows 10, a black screen appears. So what we can do to fix it? So to those who don't know what Explorer.exe means, it means the taskbar or your user interface. So you can have a temporary fix on this. What you can do is type Ctrl+Shift+ESC and a task manager will open. And there you can click on File and Run New Task. Type in Explorer.exe and type OK. And your Explorer.exe may appear, but that is only a temporary fix. Another way of doing it is typing Registry Editor on the search bar and then run it as an administrator. And then what you have to do is locate HKey current user and expand it. And then locate software and go down a bit where it says Microsoft. And then expand it and go down to a bit Windows NT. And then expand current version. Under current version, you can see WinLogon. Just tap on it and you can see a lot of options that are in that file. So if you have that problem, what you can do is when your Explorer.exe is not working on your Windows 10, you can see an option called Shell, which is not available in my device right now because my Windows 10 is perfectly working. But if yours not working, you'll get an option called Shell at the very last. Just tap on it and delete the option by right-clicking on it. And after that, restart your operating system, which will make your Explorer.exe work on your Windows 10. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.